don't even fall to your knees. I'm sorry, can't be the girl that you want, but we gon' keep it pushing. I came to see what you on. She don't even know that you be creeping back to my home. I wanna tell you something. You got something over me. I wanna creep in nothing, but I give you everything that you need. But I can't be the girl that you want, 'cause you gon' drive me crazy every time you come. You don't answer when I call. You don't even take me out. You come over just to my house. Oh no, I'm sorry, can't be the girl that you want. I'm sorry, can't be the girl that you want. 'Cause she don't walk like me, don't talk like me. No, she don't even fall to your knees. I'm sorry, can't be the girl that you want. The girl that you want, She don't walk like me, don't talk like me. No, she don't even know the degree that I get my shit from. Back my shit up, give you everything they call that love. But I'm sorry, can't be the girl that you want, 'cause you done took me apart and put me together wrong. You got my head spinning around like you got me in another town. Like I done lost my mind on another day, on another year, in another space. Yeah, I'm sorry, can't be the girl that you want. I'm sorry, can't be the girl that you want. 'Cause she don't walk like me, don't talk like me. No, she don't even fall to your knees. I'm sorry, can't be the girl that you want, but we gon' keep it pushing. Go get her, freeze it out, go get her, bitch.
You see the difference? On this side, it's all dry and dead, and this is all lovely and luxurious. I mean, this how I feel crunchy. It feel crunchy. So what you do to that thing there is boop, boop, boop. Go ahead and put just a little bit, a little dab. And you put it on your hair. Make sure you got a big enough piece so it's not too greasy. Separate. Like I told you, I didn't do the back. I had to take it off my head. So I ain't had time this morning. But I ain't had nothing to put on my head this morning, so I had pulled this out the closet, y'all. Sherry was looking better. I'm not about to call her Shaquina. Shaqueen. Because I look like a queen in this little house with a bang bang. I'm going to call her Bang Bang Sherry. Sherry Bang Bang. Hey guys, so you coming out. Well, you use a wig brush. Please use a wig brush. I don't have one right now. Because if you use a comb to comb your wigs, it gaps. It takes out gaps. If you even your laces, it takes out gaps. Alright, so make sure you get them ends. Blah, 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 blah. And then here we go. Back on high. There you go, mommy. And I really like to do it inside out. So I hold it and do it. Keep all the heat in there. Because it's kind of stretching it, but not. It's getting the ratchet ends out the way. Make sure it goes through the comb. If it does not go through the comb, it's really not going to do anything to it. It's really not. Make it go through the comb. And there you go. Ooh, not. Man, I should comb this out a little more. There you go. There she go. Ooh. There she go. So you're coming out and blow dry. It's your new flat iron. And blow dry gonna be your new flat iron for $20. Take them old wigs, recycle them things, and use some Softy. You gotta use the coconut oil because it doesn't make it so greasy after a day, and the grease ain't all over your hair. Do not use a spray sheen. That shit will fry it. It will make it dry and brittle as hell. Use Softy. It's $1. It's got less product. it than you think, you know. We go real slow like that. Real slow. Make sure you hit the inside and make it brand new hair, you feel me? Brand new hair. I'm just gonna do these 2 parts for you. Yeah. Yes. Alright. And there she go. There she go. That is a new wig. Boo. That's a new wig for you. That's a new wig. See? And my ends not so bad no more. They're actually all together and silkier than they were before. And I can put my hand through it and it feels good. It feels like some real shine. It feels like some real shine. So, this is what you do when you like in your car and you don't want to get it tangled. What I do before I go to work, really at night, I do this on my wig. It's twisted. And then I have this hair serum that I use. It's the coconut oil formula from Palmer's. And it's a hair serum for for dry, damaged, and color-treated hair. Great commercial. But it's Palmer's formula, and it's a serum. And you put like a little drip. A lot of people I've seen use them for locks and stuff, but my mama gave it to me. Thanks, Mom, the queen. So you put that on your tips while you're doing it. And because serum can get oily, but I love it because it makes it easier. And then to put the excess on your hair, and then I do that. And you can put a rubber band on the end if you like, but if not, don't. But here it is. And then you let it sit overnight and do this little trick right here. Just so you know what to cut. And you can cut all them little pieces if you want to. But if you rich like me, you ain't worry about it. Because, bitch, I look good anyway. Restoration. Alright, trick number 2. I have my daughter's wig. And she is all half done. She is all done. She is gone. So let me tell you what I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you use the same process. But this is going to be different because you're going to use some utensils that you didn't know was popular. So I'm going to blow dry it, wash it, blow dry it out for her. And I'm going to show you next time what I'm going to do to the process of this hair. Because it's too tangled for me to try to brush it and keep it moving. As you can see, Palmer's to help that out and some detangler. But I'm going to straighten this with the blow dryer. See, she got shit all in. I need to wash it. I'm going to blow dry it and clean this because if you don't clean the inside of this, all this bacteria be on your head. Especially if you bitches is sharing wigs. Like really, seriously, wash the wigs. Okay. So I'm going to restore this next time because I've washed it before, but I put it back in the bag and it's gotten rough. So then I was like, no, we can't just wash it because this is what it turned out to after I washed it. So on the next one, I'm going to show you because, bitch, I don't like doing hair. I don't like doing hair no more. I will refuse. Okay, so this is her blonde baby that I'm going to fix. Now, if you have a wig like this, to me, ladies, this means add your hair to this. Or be smart. And if you don't have enough to do, braid a braid around front of it and it will look pretty. You know, do something to make it not look like a patch of hair on your head. Because that's not what it's for. Like, look at that. I look like a tranny or something. No offense, but I'm just saying, most of them wear wigs like me. So they don't want you to know this is a wig. Like, this is a wig. But drag queen, that's what I mean.